Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing different plane simulator. Last time we played pilot training flight simulator. So now we're gonna find. Let's start with flight pilot flight simulator. Sorry for if I pronounce that wrong. It says they have the Airbus A380 and it's beta. Let's see. Also guys, if you know other games like this, please comment down below what game do you know. Let's see. What's this? You you get a flare, flight controls. Oh, okay. Okay, this now four is a parachute, Marshall stick, forward, slow down, left, right, engine off, stop. Oh, okay, now run. Bro, what the skip hell is... Now where can I spawn the airplane? Where can I spawn the aircraft? Oh, here. Aircrafts. Let's see. You know what? I want to try my favorite plane, A20, Airbus A30. That's nice. How do I get in? Oh, you can interact with doors. With the start menu, you can open. Yo, that is awesome. Oh, how am I gonna get it back? Let's try going inside. Oh, I have to open doors. I like this game. It's realistic, but let's see if it's better. Oh, it's controls. How do I throttle? Controls, throttles, gears, reverse thrust, U and then E or Q. Wait, okay. I like this. Ooh. I like that it has like realistic sounds, but wait, where's the bruh? Oops. This is actually pretty hard to control. How can I go up? Like, yo! Okay, let's try landing. Guys. control. It's harder to control. To be honest, it's harder to control this game. Wait, did you guys hear that? 1,000.
500.
It's the same voice.
300.
It's the same voice as
100.
Pilot Training Simulator. Nice. I like that. Oh, shoot. Shoot, I got a gem. So, pretty much, I rate this game, maybe, 9 out of 10 because it's realistic. Let's try other games. Also, my friend told me if I want to find a flight simulator, I should actually search something realistic like Flight P6, I think. Actually, I think it's Airplane P6, guys. Oh, here he goes. The plane crash P6. Let's see. Dude who does job. Also, as I told you earlier, if you know more games like this, comment down below what game is it. Let's see. What plane should we go? Let's go with A38. What the? Oh, this game is loud. This game is loud as hell. Okay, this guy's weird. You know, since we're in a carrier, let's try a bomber. Let's try, guys. Let's try it. Oh, shoot! It's hard to control, bro. It's harder than you. How do I drop the bombs? Bro, it's hard to control. How do I drop the bombs? Let's see. Click to drop bombs, okay. Yo! Now let's see if it's really a plane crash physics. Yo! I just heard that. Let's try doing an emergency landing right over here. Let's try. Bro, how are you gonna land this thing? Bro! It just exploded immediately. Guys, it's just exploded immediately. So, let's see. Where's the volume? Yep, I definitely... This game is so loud. Let's try a cargo plane. Let's try try landing this, guys, if I can. Look at that airport right over there. Bro, this is so hard. Oh my goodness, that airport. We're going to that airport. Let's see if I can land this thing. Bro, it's literally spin. Can I adjust the sensitivity to 0? So that's an airport right over there. Let's see if I can land this. Although I cannot see the literal airport. But let's try, guys. Let's try. Oh, shoot! 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 I'm gonna fall. Cancel, shut up! Oh, you can't land this thing! You cannot land this thing! This is so hard. You can't land this. My goodness, this is the hardest plane I've ever tried. Let's see if... Let's try the Airbus A. Let's try the Airbus 380. Oh my goodness, this is bigger, I think. Or I'm just... Not that this is bigger. Bro, what the hell happened? Look at my plane. Let's try emergency landing this. Emergency landing here in Perth. Over now. Boom! Like when you immediately touch the ground, you cannot brake. There's no brakes in this game. Whoever created this does not know what brake is. Let's try this. This plane is loud as heck. Oh, this is a stunt plane. Since it's a stunt, let's do some stunt. Like a backflip! Bro, flip, flip. Okay, okay, not. Oh shoot, that is not... How are you supposed to do stunts in this? You know what? I rate this a 5 out of 10. This is trash as heck. Okay, now I'm leaving. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe. And don't forget, Twilight Gaming. Subscribe!